Why you should drink almond milk more often. Milk is a good source of calcium and protein, but it has lactose in it. And as of now, about 75% of the world's population is lactose intolerant. It can cause digestive problems for people who are lactose intolerant. Almond milk is an alternative to dairy milk that contains no lactose, and thus causes fewer digestion issues than regular cow's milk does. It also tastes delicious. And that's why almond milk is becoming more and more popular nowadays. But, is it really good for you? That will be discussed in this video. Here I'll share the health benefits of almond milk. Also know how you can prepare almond milk at home. To know all the details, please keep watching this video until the end. Almond nuts have been used by ancient civilizations as a source of nutrition. Same way almond milk is being used as a nutritious, low-calorie drink. Almond milk is completely plant-based, that makes it suitable for vegans. Specifically, this is an excellent alternative to dairy milk, for a vegan and those with lactose intolerance. Many people are unable to completely digest regular milk, which may cause several health issues for them. For those people, almond milk is a fabulous alternative. Almond milk is low in fat and is said to be high in energy, proteins, lipids, and fiber. It is also enriched with vitamin C, vitamin B6, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate, and vitamin E. Here are the very important benefits of almond milk that you should know before using it. First, helps in weight management. Almond milk contains much lower calories than cow's milk. Unsweetened almond milk contains 80% lesser calories than regular dairy milk. So whenever you are trying to manage your weight, use almond milk as a replacement for cow's milk. It could be an effective weight loss strategy that gives you the desired result. Good for heart health. Since almonds do not contain any cholesterol or saturated fat that keeps your heart healthy. Apart from that, it's also high in healthy fats and low in sodium, which helps to prevent high blood pressure and heart disease. It keeps your skin glowing. It is rich in vitamin E, which will protect your skin damage from the sun. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that is essential for your skin's health, such as protecting it against sun damage. 1 cup of almond milk provides 20 to 50% of your daily vitamin E requirement. Good for bones health. Almond milk is enriched with calcium to provide 20 to 45% of your daily requirements per serving. Calcium is particularly important for maintaining bone health. An adequate amount of calcium intake can reduce the risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis. It controls your blood sugar. Unsweetened almond milk is low in carbs, which won't increase blood sugar. Due to its low glycemic index, whatever carbs are available, your body uses them as energy. Hence, sugar is not stored as fat. Therefore, almond milk is suitable for those restricting their sugar intake, such as people with diabetes. It improves digestion. Almond milk contains almost 1 gram of fiber per serving, which is important for healthy digestion. It relieves constipation and also improves and treats abdominal distension. And at last, it doesn't contain lactose. Since almond milk is naturally lactose-free, that is the main reason for its popularity. It is a suitable alternative for people who have lactose intolerance. Due to all the mentioned benefits, you can use it in your daily diet. You can use almond milk in any way that you use regular dairy milk, like added to cereals, coffee, tea, or used in a variety of recipes for cooking and baking. Now let's see how to prepare almond milk at home. To make this, simply soak 350 grams of raw almonds, with skin, in a bowl of water. Place them for 24 hours in the refrigerator. The almonds will absorb the water and change shape slightly. Then strain and throw away the water, as this contains phytic acid which we do not need. Add the almonds to a blender with 500 milliliters of fresh water. Process this for at least 2 minutes to grind the almonds down. Strain processed almond again using a cheesecloth and store the delicious almond milk in a bottle for use. Alternatively, you easily buy pre-pack almond milk from the supermarket. Before purchase, make sure to check the labels and choose the right product. which contains the least amount of preservatives and other additives. What do you think about almond milk's use? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. If you like this information, please like and share it to support us. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. And lastly, be sure to check out our other videos. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.